Hello everyone, my name is Curly. Welcome to my live. Live tayo today after a long time. So, yeah, let's have some live today and yes. How's everybody? How's the holiday? To everyone, how's the holiday? And yeah, let's have some cuts up live. So, dito sa Sweden ay may storm. Maano pa rin yung hangin, malakas pa din yung hangin, stormy weather. Tsaka malamig, malamig, malamig. So, yes. Let's have some live. And yeah. So, how's everybody? Are you still on holiday? Are you all are you all still on vacation? And yeah, soon I gonna go back to work. So, yeah, let's have some short chat, everyone. And thank you to all the followers who greeted me. Merry Christmas to everyone. And yeah, to all who messaged me on my Facebook page. Thank you, everyone. And Merry Christmas too. And good poshatning. May God bless you and continue blessing for this year in this coming year. And yes, I will be I'm going to shout out to all my new followers and my Curly Natures followers. You have we're reaching almost 1,000 followers. Thank you so much for being there, following me. Even I cannot reply as soon as possible, but I will be shout out you one by one on my my live today. Let's have some catch up catch up today. Yes, and thank you. Um, Hello to Rosalyn Tenorio Kilang. Merry Christmas and hello to Lucy, Lucy Dalago. Merry Christmas and Maridel Pinlac. Merry Christmas to all of you. Dandan. His name is very nice. Dandan. Merry Christmas po. Hello, Merry Christmas from Juanita Villa Hermosa. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Daisy Punsalan. Maraming salamat. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Madam. Wag naman Madam. Curly na lang. My name is Curly. I'm not Madam. Curly. Jen Guib. Hi, Jen. And Merry Christmas to Merry Christmas, Mom, from Jusdada Soratoria Siledio. Hi! Merry Christmas to everyone. And Merry Christmas to Lina Canoy. Yes, you are very nice too. Merry Christmas, sis. And hello, Sisi. Merry Christmas from Ate Annie. Hey, Ate Annie. And to Merry Christmas to what's her name? Merry Christmas from Tess Lakaba Miss Des. Merry Christmas, everyone. And Joyce Bines, Merry Christmas. Tony Guillermo, Alicia Baoy Lamtape, Merry Christmas, everyone. I wish you can follow me also on my Facebook personal page, Curly Alvarez of Curly Nature. Curly, I'm Curly, but not I'm curly here. Yes, and Annalyn Arroyo Saculo. Thank you. Merry Christmas to you. Meron pa ba akong na-miss? Ariel Briones. Merry Christmas, everyone. Ronald Chan. Merry Christmas. Thank you, Hilda. You're nice too. Hilda Ipulan. Papeleras Ipulan. Following. Stella Marie Abalos Cabildo. Hi! Merry Christmas to all of you. And Mario Estepa, hi! Thank you for your comments and likes. And Mario Estepa. Joel Blanila. Thank you. Great picture. Merry Christmas. Thank you. And Bruce Carambias, Merry Christmas. I'm following you too. And I wish you follow me too on my personal page, Curly Alvarez. So, yes. Hi, Nina. Ninang, mamamas ko po. Mamamas ko po, Ninong. Ninong Jing. Mamamas ko din po. Merry Christmas dyan. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. And mamamas ko din ako. Mamamas ko din. Mamamas ko din. Merry Christmas. Mamamas ko din ako. Hi. Mamas ko sa inyong lahat. Okay? Papasko din po, Ninong Jing. Kumusta sa inyong lahat dyan? Merry Christmas. And Happy New Year too. So, yes, Ricky Balisi. Hello. Merry Christmas to. And sino pa ba? Ang dami nila. Hello everybody. Gising pa ba kayo? Diyan sa Pilipinas. What time is it in Philippines now? I think 7, 5, 5, 6, 6:36, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 11 o'clock. Gising pa ba kayo? It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Saturday. Sorry. It's Saturday in the evening. So, yeah. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Merry Christmas to everybody. To all my avid followers. Yes. Marami. May mga handa pa ba kayo nung Pasko? Makikikain ako. May natira pa bang spaghetti? Miss ko ng spaghetti sa Pilipinas. May natira pa ba kayong ano pa ba yun? Spaghetti. Spaghetti, chicken joy. Leche flan. May leche flan pa ba kayong natira? Pwede ba akong makihingi? So, yeah. Pa-share naman ng leche flan dyan. Ano pa ba? So, yan. Ang dami nila. So, mag-reply na lang ako later pag ako'y hindi na super busy. Ayun, may bagyo daw dito. Storm na walang ulan. Storm na walang ulan siya. Sino pa ba ang hindi ko na-mention? Sige. I-mention ko na lang kayo later ulit. Maraming salamat. Anong mga ganap niyo anong mga kaganapan niyo ngayong Pasko? Meron ba kayong mga ganap sa Pasko? Nakakamiss magpasko sa Pilipinas. Yung Pilipinas na Pasko. Dito boring ang Pasko. Kakain lang, magkakain, tas magbigay ng gifts, tas wala na, tutulog na kasi malamig. Manood na lang, want to sawang manood ng mga pelikula or something, or siguro magkakaraoke, pero minsan ayaw nila yung mga karaoke. Hindi sila hindi sila sino yung nag-comment na 'to? Anong sabi niya? Anong sabi niya dito? Anong sabi niya? Hindi bale mapuyat ko gift mo. Ano ba yan? On the way pa lang yung gifts. Mga on the way yung gifts. Diyos ko, ang dami, hindi ko alam sino. Ang daming nang mamas ko, pasensya na po. Tagkiriwi. Tagkiriwi. Wala pa pong pamasko. On the way pa lang po yung papamasko ni Ninang. Good. Mga pamasko. On the way pa lang si Santa Claus. Santa Claus. On the way pa lang si Santa Claus. Kaya, ayun. On the way si Santa Claus. So, tomorrow, I'm gonna go back to work again. So, yeah, limited na naman yung kaka-live natin, kaka-create ng content. Pero, we will do our best to make that content. Yes, and maraming salamat sa mga greetings. Maraming salamat sa mga Christmas greeting. Merry Christmas dun sa mga hindi ko pa nagi-greet. Diyan sa nag-comment si Perla sa aking reels. Sabi niya, may snow ba? May snow. Oo, may snow dito, konti. Not so much snow. Ingat din kayo diyan, malakas ang hangin. Oo, it's windy here. Malakas yung hangin dito. Super lakas ng hangin. So, yeah. Super lakas ng hangin. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Kay Gloria, kay Tita Mercy, Merry Christmas. Ate Nita, Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Wala pang papasko. Medyo on the way pa yung papasko. Medyo on the way. On the way pa yung papasko. Hi, Lynn Erlano. Thank you so much for your follows and comments on my Facebook page, on my Facebook. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello to my ninya. It's Tamarop. Yes, and hi to Dina. Merry Christmas. To Teresa. Tito Nelson, Merry Christmas. Gigi Tamayosa, hi. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Sino pa ba? Ang daming babatiin. Thank you for following me for Fun Time Online Shop. Thank you. And thank you for accepting also my follows to everyone I followed. Yes, and yeah, nakakatuwa naman. Ate Emma, Merry Christmas! Pasensya na, on the way pa lang yung papasko. Ang daming namamasko. Ang daming namamasko. Si Santa Claus on the way pa lang, nasa Kalawakan pa. Nasa Kalawakan pa si Santa Claus. Ang daming greetings po. Salamat sa mga greetings sa messenger ko din. Hindi ko na kayo maisa-isang ma-reply. Dalawa lang, isa lang yung kamay ko. Busy. So thank you so much, and yes, kay Mary, kay Ferde, yes. On the way pa lang yung mga papasko. Wala pa si Santa Claus, on the way pa lang siya. And yeah. So, ayun muna yung live natin. Catch up live muna lang tayo. Kasi may bagyo dito. May bagyo dito sa Sweden. So, bagyo. Ano pa ba? Ayun. On the way ang gifts. So, paano maalisin to? On the way ang gifts. So, yan. Live muna tayo. Thank you. Mag-reply ako sa mga email later on pag ako ay hindi na busy. So, message lang kayo and I will reply soon as I have time. Yes. So, ayan muna tayo. And thank you for the follows. I shout out to my personal page follower. We are soon 40,000 followers. Thank you so much. Soon. And I wish you will follow me more. Yes. And thank you so much. Thank you. Konti pa. Sana may magpaambo ng star. May avid may avid star sender. Kaway-kaway ako dyan. Pasend naman ng star. Ayun, may star ako. Send naman kayo ng star. Sige na. Send naman kayo ng star. So, may pambili ng pagkain ng pusa. Pambili ng pagkain ng pusa. Pambili ng pagkain. I wish you send more stars so I can buy a cat food. Cat food. Yes. We have 3 cats to feed. So, we need some star. Please. Send me some stars so I will do more content. Yes, please send me a gift. Send me a gift. So, ayan muna tayo. Anong oras na ba? 5:30. 5:30 pa lang dito, but it's too dark na. Malakas pa rin yung hangin, malakas pa rin. So, yes, please. Send me some star. Star dyan. I beg some stars for our cat food. For our cat food. So, para may pambili ng pagkain ng pusa. Yes. May pambili ng pagkain ng pusa. Thank you, brother. Brother, pasend naman ng star. Pambili ng pagkain ng pusa. Pambili ng pagkain ng pusa. So, yan. Ano pa ba? Thank you. Yes. Kumusta kayo dyan? Asa na ba? Yes. Rosalie. Yes. So, thank you everyone sa aking personal page. Sa mga nagtatanong about my online business, I would like to help some, yes, like all hardworking entrepreneurs, my fellow healthcare workers, and especially single parents who would like to be with their families and children while doing an online business. It is really yes, really, it's work. It's working. Just follow me on my website, www.curlynatures.se, and you will know how it works. And yes, you can earn extra income online through our high tickets products and automated system. And yes, we have right tools and like mentorship, like I am mentor, and a proven system that works 24/7. Yes, and to those who, yeah, to wish to get retired early like me, I wish to get retired early, but I'm still building my online business. Just follow my journey and I will show you how it works. So yes, and yeah, so yeah, this is more than an online business that, yeah, will help your dream, your future. If you would like to travel abroad, if you would like to travel with your online business running 24/7, and yes, this is maybe your right tools. Yeah, and yes, just follow me on my website or on my business page, and I will let you know, and I will send you some more information about this, how works our online business. And yeah, yes, just follow me and my journey. And please PM me or DM me if you would like to learn how it works, and I will gladly here to inform you step by step how to do it. And yeah, hi Jane. Jane is liking on my reels. So yeah, don't hesitate to message me or add me on my personal page, Curly Alvarez, so I can add you also on our VIP Facebook group that will. Hi Kuya Joe. Hi. Hello. Miss you too. Miss you Kuya. Miss you Kuya ba? Hi. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat, namamalat na namamalat na ako. So, yeah. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat diyan, kuya, and everybody. Yes. So, just follow my journey and I will give you more content as long as I'm not so busy. But this coming days, I will be busy again, doing my 9 to 5 work, and then I'm trying to do my best to have time even 2 hours before I take my sleeping rest. Sleeping rest. Yeah. So, thank you. Merry Christmas, Kuya Joe. Kuya Buboy. Kuya Buboy. His name is Kuya Buboy po. Thank you. Miss you all then. So, yes. And just follow our journey. And I will follow yours also. And yes, I wish you all guys take care. And yeah, take care always. And yeah, let's talk again about this online business. So just follow me on my website and it will show you how it's work, and many people is struggling, yeah, how to in every challenges, how to pay bills and everything. But if you will follow me and learn how about how our tools working, and yes, of course you have to pay some amount, but it is worth it when when you have this online digital business. And yeah, it's really work. It's really work. And yeah, soon I wish I can retire early. Yeah. So yeah, I will show you how my digital online business, like in in our site. So this is how my online business like that. So it's, if you just follow me, just register your name and email address, and yeah, and I will get back to you as soon as I reach your message. And as I reach your message in how you start this online business. And yeah, so yeah, you can message me right here, and I can, yeah, see it on my screen. On my screen. So yes, thank you everyone, and let's have chat later. There is some message. Good morning from Joseph. He said good morning. Good morning, Romana. Good morning. Yeah, Tamina. Leonardo, Eduardo, Alvin, Elvis, Reynaldo, Mustakin, Gary, Sab, Tori. Hello, everyone. I don't have time to message you all, and but I will do my best when I get time. Yes, this is the how online business work. many messages, but yes, we have automated system sometimes that reply our messages and how it works. So yeah, yes, and thank you everyone. Thank you, thank you. That's my man. Come, darling, I will show you. Yeah, come here, come here. Yes, my dear Elsklingen, Elskling. Hi, Marjorie. Hi, sis Marjorie. Merry Christmas. Now lang ulit nakapag live. I try to learn this StreamYard. Hello, StreamYard. Thank you for helping me to be in this live. It is really nice and yeah, I think I will be live like this. I can change the motif. I can change. Yeah, it's nice. I mix motif with Christmas motif and a lot of things. Yes. Mga star sender, please send me a star so I can buy food for the cats. Please. For the cats. Yes, please. Send naman kayo ng star. Yes. Send ng star kayo dyan. So, yeah. Send your star. Kuya Omel, Merry Christmas. Micaela, so they have messaged me on my good po siatning ti ala mina shera si Benskor na Benner famil ok alihupa. Good po siatning good yul, good net or Miki hälsningar. Så ja. Och gratis till alla som fyller år. Det hinner inte svara. Grata allihopa. Greetings um, to all celebrating their birthdays. I cannot I cannot greet you one by one. It's too many. Every day I cannot yeah greet you one by one, but I greet you now, those who gonna celebrate their birthday these coming days. I know a lot of friends and families who gonna celebrate birthday this coming days. So, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Happy birthday, everyone! Happy birthday to all! Gratis o kyo. Hello, hi Gloria Diuma in Saudi Arabia. Thank you. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Delia, Ate Delia, Sis Delia, Merry Christmas. Sis Ate Raquel, Arnie, yeah, Jinky. Hi, Sispe Cadelinya Resane. Thank you for comments and follows all the time. I appreciated it so much. And yes, Roxanne. Hi, Roxanne Salubre. Thank you for your follows and likes and follows to all my posts and content. 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 But I will do my best to do more content when I get time. A short time, all the time. Ate Connie, Merry Christmas. Claire, Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Sa mga hindi ko ma-mention yung name, ang dami po, hindi ko na po alam alin ang babasahin ko sa dami ng mga comments and and greetings. Sheila, gratis. Sa dami ng followers. Thank you, thank you so much sa nag-uumapaw kong followers sa mga kukomment. Na dumadami-dami na po tayo. Dumadami-dami na po tayo. Wilma Boca Lagang. Thank you. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Merry Christmas. So, sa 105 likes, hindi ko na po alam sino-sino yung mga 105 likes na yon. Thank you. I appreciated you all. Thank you so much for your follows and likes. And how to say this? And hearts. And heart. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. We're growing actually. My followers are growing now. We are in, soon it will be 1,000 and 2,000, 2,000 on my 2,000, followers on my Curly Natures. Thank you. This is Curly of Curly Nature. So, yan. Sa mga followers ko naman sa aking personal page, thank you. We're growing also. We're for 4,000 followers and 4,000 soon 4,000 followers. And yes, just give me a heart, give me a likes, and give me some stars, please, for the cat foods. For the cat's foods. So please follow me on all my content, but sooner I will be in the city, so I will miss the cats here, so I cannot post them on my content later. So I will try my best to show up the cats. I will ask my darling to send me photos of the cats. So I can show you our lovely cats. And sino pa ba? Can show you our yeah. I'm looking for my. So next time I will be live with some of my business partner, and maybe I can invite some of my mentor and coaches, so you will know what about how this online business grow and how it works. Yes. And maraming mga plano natin. Nag-start na ng nag-start na yung utak na anong tawag dun, anxiety, ano na naman, mga plan natin sa buhay, ano naman yung plan natin this coming year, how we will grow our self, our income, how we will grow our motivation to have a better life and better one. Yes. So, thank you so much for watching. I will be live again later soon, but hopefully more live and more, just comment and message me anything about my digital online business, and yes, I can reply to you all. and I will try my best to do more live, more more live and more content. Yes, I'm using my Insta 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 300, anong tawag nun yung camera? I'm using my Go Insta 360 Ultra to use it when I'm going outside. So I can show more content about how my life's routine and my journey, my daily journey, my daily journey. So, yan muna tayo. Thank you for watching and may you have a prosperous new year, and I wish you all guys take care of yourself and family and wherever you are in the world. Please take care and wish you enjoy your holiday. And yes, continue. Merry Christmas blessings. And yes, si Santa Claus po ay on the way pa lang. Sorry po sa mga nagme-message at namamasko dahil si Santa Claus ay wala pa dito sa bahay. It's on the way pa lang. So yan, muna tayo. And yeah, and have a nice weekend, cozy weekend wherever you are in the world. Good evening and God bless you, everyone. Bye for now. See you later again on my next live. Bye bye. Bye.